This is Barry with RubyServe. We're a factory direct authorized dealer for CDT audio. We're looking at DRT-26, which is a modular quick connect, quick swap tweeter set. What I have in front of you is the aluminum dome option, and this is installed in the flush mount cup system. This piece right here is a spacer to give it a slight angle, and this piece would be your flat surface mount adapter, and right behind that we have a steeply angled surface mount adapter. What makes this a quick connect, or what I normally say is a quick swap tweeter, is this little device here. It's kind of a wrench. You'll put it into the grill and twist, and it actually comes right out of the cup. That means you don't have to tear the car apart to get the tweeter out. I've swapped these out in about 15 seconds per side. Now, what would you swap it out to? That's a very good point. Good topic to go to next, and that would be titanium, silk, and there's actually a new fourth option that is not on this sheet. It's a newly developed material called transparent silk. And then lastly, we have another quick look over some additional mounting hardware. This would be a spring metal clip to come up on the back side of any flat panel or even a curved panel. So once again, we're looking at CDT audio DRT-26, the modular quick connect tweeter kit. This has the aluminum dome option. You can buy this online from RubyServe. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching.